Alukutikallautuutaqarpuun 3D-spillassintikallуарти
Poppy Playtime Chapter 4.
spilli tamaanaaniartariaqarpu naqimaappiqoraa qaamavaraa.
The prototype. I lost track of him in the tunnels. Have you seen him? Was he at the Foundation? Or was he... What? What's going on? He's... I let him away, didn't I? The generator's fine. It's... Oh, no.
Ei sumut tamaleriarluus pilliingerlutinniartariaqassuutigu susoqarneq imanginnarpara tamauti tarpiginnissaa spilliingerlutinniarsarisaqaiaqassuanaaniartariaqalat poqaisit anu pisoqassana Hey! 수소광도 No, t'as visto così un po'.
Wait, So, this is what we have to work with. Do you believe it's doable? Sure, yeah. It's doable. Good. Remember, our timetable here is tight.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I failed you. I was never what any of you needed. I was only made to hurt things. My fault. My fault. Hurt. Everything hurts. Hurt back. Always hurt back. Parents, scientists, everyone have to. My friends! He killed my friends! You. It all started with you. You and her. It was you who ruined everything! No, that's not true. They jump-started the generator. They destroyed everything! I'll kill you!
Okay, run. There goes. Bye-bye. Mga Roma. 가방하고 뭐 지정하러 가. 이에이! 간다 그냥. Wait a minute. Tämmöisessä kaunaruokkuun tässä. Oi, otta kuva. Teko visio, kuvan tekoa. Sen on niin sinä. 이승샷다 똑바로 니용. 비디오를 찍어와. Tao vừa xuống mùa tung này à? Đó. Open. Let's see. Okay. Oi. Ida. Pasinaksak ako na ng minisa. Timakbo. qaqangunaassana inangraak malaqsuuni asukkaavallaarluni taamaleriarluna qanuna misangassaassanarsу paasineqsippajaarerniku
Just wanna play a little longer.
piu 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 ai
Couldn't save anyone.
tidak sorry amma udah depan doang ya panggil yo
Just wanna go home.
bagus pom 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 sangat tersulut sangat taruh apa
Couldn't save anyone.
Nasukod siap berat
Just wanna play a little longer.
tas sa pingisan damari ako ro sangat dak sige na karo pakpot ay nga
I don't wanna be here anymore.
tidak ay susunod pinutusod matang leakero bye docingira today imanin niya wag kinuna sorry
Too loud. Too loud.
today mamaraksak teksto na doon
Just wanna go home.
Kisabi no Maria Kisabi Kijabay! Sukang makakanugang neksimongan. Ako tiyata sin nakimapingin si Makpalan. Makuro kay Mapis eh.
You and Poppy! It's all your fault! Want to kill you! Can't trust anyone! The gentle voices lie! You lie! I tried to be better, to be who they needed. Smart enough, not good enough, not... I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Joe. I like you too. Bye-bye. Where are you going? I found it!
It was awful. So awful. I didn't want... This wasn't what I thought we were gonna leave. Leave the factory. Not this. All those people. Prototype says we can't leave. Not now, not ever. I hate him. I hate him, and I hate this place, and I hate that he's... right. He explained everything, and he's right. We can't leave. It's too risky. What they did to us, we can't ever let it happen to us or anyone ever again. Doesn't make me feel better about the bodies, though. What he was saying about them. I know there's not really another option. The toys will starve otherwise. They'll die. But it's still disgusting. I wish you were here, Dad. I could really use one of your talks right about now. You'd know what to say. When you were running this place, you always knew what to say. I miss you.
Ooh, I love it. Secret 진짜 막혀고낙붙. 슬로갔다 친구시. 슬로갔다 pas video attachment. Kuhanak na ako. Pili na niya kaya karunak po kasi nariwit ko ng madama po. Cuma sa kanyang reaksyon ni nothing. Something.
I'm not sure if this thingy is on, but I need to talk, and I can't talk about this with anyone else. For the past few months, the fighting's been bad. real bad. I've, seen a lot of stuff I probably shouldn't. It's been hard to keep my head straight. The others, they look to me to know what to do, to know where to go. For a long while, we had Poppy to tell us, go here, go there, do this. And it all made sense, too. Poppy was nice. I can't find Poppy anywhere. I don't know what happened or where she went. But it's scary here without her. Maybe she ran, just like I have. I'm here, outside the prison, in front of... I'd almost forgotten it was all here. And seeing this again, it's given me reason to think. I could make for the exit. It's all I'd wanted for the longest time. But there are others inside. Others that aren't like me. They're hungry and scared like I am, but they're not me. They can't go where I can. But they mean a lot to me. A lot more than I thought they did. And having seen what I have, knowing how they see me, how much they need me. I'm going back. I wanted to make this in case I ever doubt or forget that. Just play this and remember. Yeah. Yeah. That's all. See ya.
Siya ako pa. Hoy?
A hug a day keeps the monsters away. 2 hugs a day is better in every way. Hugging forever. Hugs are non-stop. I'm gonna hug you until you pop.
我の確認しよし。だっこしの豆、ケッチ、だなりまっとくと。とこしゅうじんあっか。とこなおににしゃたとがの。あとはふんべるまっとくと。とこにしゃたとがの。una si utlik pa. To ko na kan ita kong gira nagkanak po kasi kung naklo nito kanopiso kang na umanaksoklo nito kung anaksoklo ni daro.
Monsters away.
What? Ah, aku just shaka na. I'm stupid. Woo!
Ollie! Ollie! Can you hear me? Ollie! You! What did you do? Why did you kill Dowie? Do you even understand what happened? The prototype, Did you even plant the explosives? Ollie! Ollie, answer me! Please. Ollie! Something's gone horribly wrong. The safe haven...
Shelf ventilation block B6. Is this where you are, Poppy?
What?
Stay where you are.
And listen closely. You're not going to run. You're not going to fight. The charade is over.
Who... is this?
An obvious question with an obvious answer.
You... What did you do with Ollie?
I'm right here, Poppy. For you. I'll always be here.
The doctor, Catnap, Mommy and Huggy, they're all dead. You have nothing now. No one. And soon, you'll have less than that.
Stop that.
You don't need to pretend anymore.
Poppy. You don't need to play at being stronger than you are.
You can
Come home.
How much do you know?
Everything.
This isn't right. All those years. Was there ever an Ollie?
Yes, there was.
But that was a very long time ago. Let me tell you what comes next.
I'm going to
Come up there.
and I'm going to
Find you. Your collaborators. The few you have left, they will be dealt with.
What are you going to do with me?
I've got something special in mind.
I prepared it just for you.
And this one.
You will never want to leave.
No. No, no, no. This entire time, you've lied to me!
Only because you've kept
Missing the point.
I've taken the liberty of retrieving those explosives from the Foundation. Thanks for collecting them.
Those, by the way, I've put them to good use. I admit, though, I'm disappointed.
After all that time in your case, I'd hoped you'd see things
Differently, don't you understand?
It's always been about you.
Every hobby.
What we are. That's not a truth that can be
Burnt away. No, not when it can mean so much more.
Prototype. Please.
It's time to come home.
Poppy.
It's time to come home.
I can't go back in the case. I can't. I'm sorry.
Some friend, huh?
Don't worry, I'll find her.
As for you two, try to land on your feet.
Wani oqarfigissuassi taassama planni wanga planneringilakka qanuaqqissussanerlugun wanga planni kingerlatilaaluarki taamatu ingerlatinnaavallun taan tusaanago uanittu tamaavisa qanuannaatisangeluarpakka qanorlunni tamaavis toquassagaluarnerlu wanga nammali piumasanning ilisipiliuppa sissinnaattornangu huwa plannera ilisiplaners am defen you defen. I'm not joking. So spilling at latin magtarekas. Spilling na river yang natsilonis. I like here. Ano nakatak? It's broken.
Hi, my name is Leif Pierre, and I'm the head of innovation here at Playtime Co. If you're seeing this, you must be very, very lost. Well, rest assured, friend, our state-of-the-art laboratory is just up ahead. Why don't you just go on inside and tap one of our scientists on the shoulder? Tell them you're lost. They'll be glad to help. All right. Let's be honest. You're not supposed to be here. This is the single most high security, high clearance section of the whole factory. When someone finds you down here, you will be shot. And before you get any ideas, don't think you can just sneak away either. No, the second you put this tape in, it set off an alarm. So if anyone's home, they know exactly where you are. Pretty nifty, huh? Security is very important to us here. If I were you, I'd start running.
I told you, I'm not stupid. It's not dead. It's coming. Yun na.
Too much interference. Make your way to... There's something. Doctor is...
No, te conecto una vez.
Yes, I can hear it. They've staged quite the rebellion. Remarkable. 1006.
How could this happen? There's fail-safes, security measures. It's impossible.
Personal agendas have long been the downfall of this company. Is it unreasonable to believe they were conspirators? Playtime is filled with vipers and backstabbers.
But without executive access, how could anyone even get through? Laith, Stella, Eddie, only the four of us have that kind of clearance.
Does any of that matter now? It's your life we have to protect. You have executive access.
For all the good it does me, opening a door at a time won't get me to the exit. Not with those things everywhere. You didn't see what I saw. You didn't see the trail of limbs down the hall. Didn't hear the things eating. The wet crunches of bones. God,
There is something you can do, Warden. I can help you.
How? You're stuck in there. You can't...
My body's here. Sure. But my mind...
What?
The Omni Hand. If you give it to me, I can get you anywhere. I'll have control over everything. I can shut some doors, open others. I can make you a pathway that leads right to the exit.
I don't know.
If you want to wait to get torn to pieces, that's your prerogative. But look at your immediate options, Warden. What choice other than this gets you out of here alive?
I'm giving you the tool. Just get me out of here. Please.
Of course. You've made a smart decision, Warden. I promise I'll get you out of here safe and sound.
Tämä reaktion on der quasi condition of no prison of success. Bye. Bye.